horses no more.
Yeah, you can't do anything.
I forgot to get
Wait for the tram. What happens?
Well,
Or is it smooth 3.5 miles?
yeah.
Because there's a wedding, you gotta bring the wedding people up.
And we gotta bring the trash. And we gotta bring trash
Trash
down.
back down. So you can ride with the trash.
Someone's getting married.
That's the deal.
Somebody's
This
getting married
last
here?
one, you gotta.
They're getting married up
trash.
there?
Right.
There's somebody doing a wedding.
Oh, wow.
What time is the wedding party coming up?
I think they were supposed to come up with this one, but the next one they're coming up on.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So how many are at the wedding party?
I think there's only about.
It was a small one,
30
yeah.
or 40. There's not many. This one's not that big. One tram load and then.
Yeah, they didn't have very big chairs set up, so it's gonna be a pretty small crew.
You know, past few weekends we did have weddings.
I can't imagine we did all this.
And I'm very proud of us.
Yeah, I mean, I just can't imagine we did it.
Excuse me, last year.
Where?
Well, a few places we couldn't see where the markers were, and that's where we kept getting confused. And we would stop for a second because we didn't want to go too far off track,
Right.
and then have to backtrack and
Yeah,
figure it
so one
out.
left behind, yeah. And then those young guys were clearly not coming down any trail. They
Yeah,
were
well, we
picking
thought
up-
they were, but there's no way. When we saw them, we were like, they were like coming between this little ravine, and there's no way. This is the moderate hike. There's no way.
Like when I saw her on that one little thing up there, I'm like, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah. Yeah, it helped that we were all together.
How long did it take you to hike up?
I left the resort at 2:20, and so it's half a mile to start that trail, and then it's about 2 hours and 20 minutes altogether.
That's good.
Yeah.
For not being a hiker.
Yeah, for not being hikers.
Great,
like-
yeah. But you say, no, we'll do it. Okay.
Oh my God. See, I don't like that part. Like, it feels like it's like a swing. I'm like, I don't like that.
But did you walk from the resort then where the
Yeah.
flat grass is?
Yeah, so I walked that. So that from the resort to there is half a mile,
Okay.
and then I started from the Olympic Village.
Right.
The rest, yeah. I did that half a mile yesterday just to see, like where it took me. And I said, well, maybe tomorrow if I have time, I'll see. But
Next time.
I'm gonna take the shuttle back.
I was gonna say, if you wanna ride, we can.
It's at 5:15. I already called to see what time it is. That half a mile just seems like it's like I can't even do
Our
it.
victory was making it down
Yes,
that
that's
ridge.
it.
Seeing the
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah.
How much longer are you guys here for?
We leave tomorrow. as
Okay.
well.
Do you drive back or before? Okay.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell. I don't know how far would it be if you drove from here.
the tram, I'll let you ride it.
How many miles did you ride?
And Mike.
It's about 700.
Oh wow, so that's quite about 9-10 hours.
It's actually, well, I'll just keep it right here. Doesn't move.
And there's just people.
Go to have fun for the day, come back.
What if it's the wedding party coming up maybe?
Yeah.
See, they're all dressed up.
Saltines, you know? That's all you need. Oh, it's empty.
Is it? Oh yeah, it's empty.
Yeah, there's no, we were the last tram coming up.
You wanna ride the tram with me all
About 20
day?
minutes up here.
The bride's not ready.
Yeah.
Gonna be the new worker?
Yeah, you can help me. You open and close doors.
Don't see that.
The bride's not dressed yet.
Somebody's late.
Yeah.
You say, welcome, everybody. You say, get off the tram. I say, but don't forget to get back on.
Yeah.
Last tram.
Yeah, $5 extra.
So do you work for an academic institution?
I work for a private practice, a neurology practice. So we do like all type of studies like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, stuff like that.
The joint is gone over the top.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Well,
Oh heck no.
Oh, yeah. Oh, tennis courts.
a little swing there, huh? You see all that? Look at that. Long ways down.
That's awesome.
It's much easier going back down though. It's much easier going down this way than walking.
That's awesome.
Usually mountain time.
Oh, those tennis courts are on top of the parking garage.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
You see the RV?
Yeah, they can.
Until we come back in the summer.
Oh, yeah, you can. Red canoes.
So did you walk over on that paved trail? Is that?
Yeah, well, no, it's over to the right.
Okay.
It's like a dirt road, like that, the paved trail is where the golf carts go. It's terrible. Yeah, but after you've done all that, it's like,
That's what I worked on.
I like that triangle.
There's a lift out of Squaw Creek Lodge.
Yeah, they're waiting for their paycheck. Yeah.
Tram.
Oh, you mean the other one over there?
That looks like this, Chris.
It looks like we're in the middle one. The middle one's not moving. Yeah, that's the one that's pulling us.
It hooks over the
Yeah. You want to get up there?
So the wedding in our place is wrong.
Want to go up there? That was last folks. Hanging in there.
I would say so.
Good. Hang on.
It's like behind the pool. Keeps you funny.
I tried, that's doing all the way.
Of course. Of course. I know. I know.
Still have your wits or some, wit. You still have a wit.
Yeah, not much. One wit left.
One wit, no, you have a lot of wits.
Well, I'll see if I can get rid of that.
No more fits.
Wit's out of here.
Get those wits out of here.
I don't want no stinking wit.
I struggle so to go to the water. You know, you never worry about anything. You're never concerned.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it just doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Your house on fire.
So glad. Yeah.
Fun?
Not a
All right, one more time, right?
It means out you're gonna go to get some.
I'm so glad we didn't have to walk there.
I know, man, this was so much easier.
Proving in the
Yeah,
sun.
yeah, well, it's a good
Right?
spot.
Yeah, it's great, bro.
No? You don't want to?
So quiet.
We're not friends anymore? I thought we were like friends riding the tram. Swinging and it was all fun.
See?
You want to first see what about the tram the rest of the day?
Now you're friends again.
You
So
bums.
why?
Yeah?
I know, it's good to see it.
Now that you pointed it out, be
Yeah,
thankful.
I was fine.
We ran into
Nice walking with you.
Nice walking with you. Good luck.
Yeah, we're a little older.
We just did that nice,
Why was
social research at OHSU.
Okay.
Environment and all that.
Yeah.